This is an app I made for people that struggle in making low stakes decisions such as where should I eat tonight. It's a very basic app that when using AI gives the best performance, but also has a non-AI component for those that don't like AI or are unable to afford AI responses. The app works by taking in a user input on the form, deciding if they're using AI or not. If they're not using AI, we'll pick a random choice out of the choices they provide, check if it's a valid choice. If it is, it'll display the choice. If not, it'll give them a reason why it wasn't a valid choice. If they are using AI, the AI handles all the responses and everything will be displayed properly in the display decision page. On the display decision page, if they were not using AI, they have a chance to re-roll out of their choices. If they do re-roll, a new choice is given and it'll be displayed to them. If they decide not to re-roll, they're redirected back to the start page where they're able to provide new choices. The app page looks like this. For example, the question earlier, where should I eat tonight? If you're having trouble deciding between two choices, you can give the prompt here. In this example, say you're trying to decide between Taco Bell or McDonald's. Since I'm not formatting in a comma separated choice, I'll have to use an AI to get a response. Once on the question page, you can easily see the question that was asked so that you are reminded of what was asked, as well as the decision that was made. When using AI mode, you also have the option to decide on something else. When I'm using AI, I'm also going to give a more general prompt. When asking a more general question, the AI prompt is designed to give you two choices and give either a reason or preference for one of them. When not using AI, you'll have to submit your choices as a comma separated values. In the earlier case of Taco Bell and McDonald's, you'd have to comma separate them. On the decision page, if you're not using AI, you have the option to re-roll between the choices you provided. As with the AI mode, you also have the choice to give different options. When not using AI, if you don't format and comma separate it, it'll give you an error. On this page, you have the option to go back and try different choices. If you want to permanently disable AI, it's as easy as going to the edit page, going to the AI container, and setting the conditions to either be disabled or hidden. For example, if I make this a false statement, it will disable this option. Now that it's disabled, you cannot click on changing the option, but it is permanently set to no so that you can still use this form and get your decisions based on not using AI. If you're using a tenant that does not have AI enabled or you have no credits, it will give you an error. Again, this is a very basic app that I made to help people decide on either simple or low stakes decisions. Although the best user experience is by using AI, this can also still work without using AI and is fully self-contained in Tines, so you need no external tools or apps.